developing overnight panic at Disney's Magic Kingdom because of a false rumor of an active shooter.
Yeah, the Orange County Sheriff's Office saying there was never any shooting there and any shots fired. Marley Kepper is live, and they confirmed it started as a fight, but a gun was never involved. But Marley, that didn't stop some panic from ensuing last night.
Ryan, Amy, good morning. It was definitely very scary for families that thought there was an active shooter at Disneyland, but the Orange County Sheriff's Office has confirmed that that was not at all the case. They say that there was a fight and that a balloon potentially popped, and so that popping noise is what the Sheriff's Office believes scared people to start running, and then that's how the rumors got started about an active shooter. Now, we did talk to a pastor who was there with his family from Kansas, and he told us his story. He says that he was walking down Main Street, USA right after the fireworks after 10 p.m. last night, and then when all the running started, him and his family ran into a store. At one point he got lost from his daughter, and then thankfully they were able to reconnect and be all together, but they were huddled in place for about 30 or 40 minutes, he says. Here's what he had to say.
Finally, they opened like a back door, and all of us that were in that particular area were escorted to the back, through the back door area, to seemingly a safe area. But again, people were crying. There was nothing that came through on our email, our texts, and that's what I was concerned about, that there was no communication to at least let us know what was going on.
Disney now did put out a statement saying that they appreciated the immediate and quick response from the Sheriff's Office and that operations have resumed. Now, those we talked to say that they're just thankful that nobody was hurt. For now, reporting live from Walt Disney World, Marley Kepper, Fox 35 News.